Our office takes community protection very seriously. We need to be out here and make sure that we're doing things right.
Flushing, Queens is home to New York's fastest-growing Chinatown and a microcosm of recent immigration to New York. While Flushing has land to accommodate more New Yorkers, many unused lots haven't attracted developers because they are considered brownfields, land with contamination caused by previous businesses. That was the case with this site at the corner of 39th and Prince Street, which had been a parking lot and gas station.
Historically, based on the typical operations of a gas station or repair shop, they would have caused some minor leaks here and there, contamination of the soil and groundwater.
Sin Sen is the environmental engineer overseeing the cleanup of this former brownfield. Experts like Sen make sure that any contamination is identified and properly cleaned up, and that the cleanup work is performed safely for the community and on-site workers. This property is enrolled in the New York City Brownfield Cleanup Program, a program designed to clean up properties and make them safe prior to redevelopment and reuse. Sen works under the guidance of the New York City Office of Environmental Remediation, or OER, which runs the Brownfield Cleanup Program. The OER requires a comprehensive series of community protection efforts, according to Director Dan Walsh.
We take the quality of our cleanups very seriously, and the purpose of that is to assure protection of public health and the environment. But it's also important, while the work is being done, that we're assured that there are no impacts to the residents in and around a property.
A critical component to Sen's work in the Brownfield Cleanup Program is to make sure the community is protected from potential contaminants while the site is being cleaned up.
Things that's in place, when the shovel goes in the ground, is a community air monitoring program. With that, there's particulate meters and VOC, or volatile organic compound meters, that detect whether or not you have contaminants or particulates that are emanating from the site. In the event that that does happen, construction activities are stopped, and we deal with mitigating whether we spray down the site or determining what that contaminant particles are.
In fact, each cleanup plan has more than 20 required tasks that ensure community members are protected while the cleanup is being performed. These include dust and odor controls, truck washing to prevent soil from tracking into the neighborhood, use of covers on trucks, and selection of the safest possible truck routes. Cleanup workers are specially trained to make sure they understand their roles and the importance of the job. There's also a full-time safety officer responsible for carrying out all community protection measures and to ensure the protection of people who live and work around the site. These are critical community protection steps that reassure community leaders like Fred Fu, a Flushing resident for 30 years.
So when the new developer come out, you want to use the land, you should make sure the land is safe now. You should through the check. The government should come here, make sure the land is okay.
Soon, this cleanup project is going to be a hotel, a residential development, and a shopping complex. It's something that Fred Fu says the community welcomes.
The people is more and more here, but we cannot enlarge the city. What we can do is upgrade the city. Better residential area, better commercial area.
Cleanup plans are available for public review, and adjacent property owners are notified of upcoming cleanup work. Contact information for OER and 311 is always posted on site to help residents with any questions or concerns.
It's as easy as walking up to the construction fence, picking up a number that they want to call, dial that number, and they're going to get somebody right there to get the answers that they need.
Our goal is, if we can do a cleanup in your neighborhood and you don't even know we're there, that's the bottom line. That's real success for us.
For more information about the New York City Brownfield Cleanup Program and other programs run by the Office of Environmental Remediation, go to nyc.gov and search for OER.